Hi everyone, welcome back to my class. In today's class I'll be teaching us how to make 2 layers of simple beaded necklace. Very easy, you can do this on your own, so it is very easy. Alright, so these are just the materials we'll be using for today. You need your pearl bead. Alright, make use of any size of your pearl bead. So this is it. This is the color deep purple. You need your earring and pendant. This is the pendant we are using. As you can see, it has holes that you can pass your line. It came with earring. You need your hook. Okay, this is 2 layers. Like I said, we are making just 2 layers. This is for my client. She wants it simple. Okay, so you need 2 layers of your hook. All right, you need gold accessory, very small, very tiny at that. You need your stopper, fire line. This is size 60 of my fire line, and also you need your plier, cutter and plier. So this is just it. So before we continue, please do well to give this video a thumbs up. I will so much appreciate. Comment, ask any question down below. As touching today's class, I am ready to answer you. So let's get started without wasting much of our time. So now the first thing you are going to do is to cut your fire line. All right, not too long at all. Okay, so after cutting your fire line, pick your pendant. All right, you can see it has hole right here and as well this side. So pick your pendant, pass your line through the first hole like so. Now this is what you have. Okay, now the next thing to do, hold both ends of the line, then pick one of your pearl bead, insert both line in it like so, and then drop it. Pick one of the gold accessory, then insert both line in it. And at this point, I'm not going to add any gold accessory again. So insert your pearl bead in it like so. Just keep watching, and please let me take 1 minute of your time. Please give this video a thumbs up if you are yet to do so. Please give this video a thumbs up. Help me to send a good signal to the algorithm. All right, leave your comment in the comment section. Ask me any question as touching to this class, okay, and I will answer you. Share this video if you have community and you know you can share it out. Please do well to share it out for others to see. Okay, now this is what I have. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, so we have 12 counts here. So now we are going to fix the hook. All right, pick your stopper, all right, and insert both line in the stopper. Okay, I do make use of 2 stoppers so as to secure it properly. So once that is done, drop the stopper, pick your hook. All right, this is the first layer. All right, so insert your line in the hook like so. Okay, and then pass your line back into the stoppers just like so. Okay, so we are done with half part of this necklace. So we are going to repeat what we did here to the other side. All right, what we did here, we are going to repeat it to this side, so keep watching. Okay, so now we have what we did here, we have repeated it here. So we are going to insert stopper now. Okay, now pick your stopper and then insert both line in it like so. Like I said, I do make use of 2 stopper. Drop it, pick your hook like so, and then pass your line in the hook like that, and then work your line back into the stoppers. And pull it so tight. I hope you are enjoying the class. Make sure you pull it so tight, okay? So now we are done with the first layer. This is how it is looking like. So let's make the second layer, okay? Now cut your line. Now watch closely. Like you can see, this is the first layer where we inserted our line. Now you're going to skip the second hole, skip the third hole, and work your line through the fourth hole like so. See that? And then hold both ends of your line. Then we are going to repeat the same thing here. The second layer has to be longer than the first layer, just with 1 count, okay? In the first layer we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Now the second layer we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13. You can see the the second layer is longer than the first layer, just with 1 bead. Is that clear? So let's continue. The next thing we are going to do is what? Pick your stopper, insert both line in the stopper. Like I said, I make use of 2 stopper. Okay, insert it in it like so, then pass your line into the hook like so, and pull. After pulling, work your line back into the stopper just like so, and pull it so tight. So this is what we have. So I'm making use of this so that we can see what I am doing clearly. So you see that it is sitting pretty well, laid properly. You see that? So what we did to this part, we are going to repeat it right here, okay? So now cut a fresh fire line. You know we have already worked our fourth layer through the first hole. So skip the second hole, skip the third hole, and work your line through the fourth hole like so, and then hold both ends of your fire line. Now that we are done with that part, insert 1 bead followed by the accessory, okay? So guys, please thumb up for me, please. Thumb up for me. Don't you like what I am doing? Please encourage me. Thumb up the video. Subscribe to this channel, okay? Subscribe. Subscription is free. So now that we are done with this, the next thing to do is to insert the stopper. pass a line into the hook like so, and then back into the stoppers like so, and pull it so tight. So this is what we have now. Let's check it. Let's see how it is looking like. So this is it. It's a very simple braid. Okay. Pick one stopper, insert it, drop it, and then close the stopper so tight. Okay, that is just it. So lovelies, we are done making this beautiful simple beaded necklace. I hope you like it. Please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you are new here, and turn on the post notification bell so you can get notified anytime I drop a lovely video like this one. So now let's quickly make the earring. Okay, so keep watching. You can as well super chat if you can, please. I don't mind, and join my channel membership. Thank you so much. God bless you. So keep watching. All right. So guys, we are done making our beautiful necklace for today's class. I hope you enjoyed the class. Please give this video a thumb up, subscribe, and turn on the post notification bell. Thank you so much for your support. Thank you for watching to the end, and I believe you can do this yourself now. It's so easy, right? So like I said, this part I am not going to close it now. All you need to do is just to close the stopper and cut out the extra fire line. That is all. Because I still need my client to try it on before I close it. Maybe I need to adjust to reduce maybe one bead from it. All right, I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you. Remain blessed until my next video. Bye bye.